Hi, I'm Nathan. I'm here at AO at Home to show you guys how to make a simple tin loaf. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to make the perfect bread. So, first off, the ingredients to make your bread. We're going to start off with 500 grams of strong white flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, a sachet of yeast, and 300 milliliters of water. In goes our flour, our 500 grams. Next, we're going to add in our yeast, 1 sachet, nice and easy. All of that goes straight in. Next, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're going to follow that up with our oil. Last but not least, we're going to add in our warm water. That's 300 milliliters of water. Let's put it into our mixer. We'll start it slowly, and then we'll slowly increase our speed. I'm going to let that knead in the mixer for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and smooth. Now, if your mixture is too sticky, just add a bit of flour. Right, yep, that is looking fine. We're going to stop that for now. I'm going to go grease my bowl because we are going into our first proving. And now let's get our dough into our bowl. It's a messy job, and that goes straight in. I'm just making it into a ball. I'm going to cover it. Now I'm going to leave this somewhere nice and warm for about an hour until it doubles in size. Now it's time to shape the dough to prepare for baking. So I'm going to knock back the dough just to get rid of some of that air. Now I'm going to take out the bowl and lightly flour our board. Next up, we're going to shape the dough and prepare it for its second proof. I'm going to fold it back into the middle, kind of like a rectangle. Perfect size. Now I'm going to place it into a tin. Sprinkle a little bit of flour just before we proof it. Then I'm going to cover and leave to proof again for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, now here is our dough after its final proofing, ready to go into our oven. And we're going to put it in our preheated fan oven on 200. Right, let's have a look at the, oh, yeah, now we're talking. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Cooked to perfection. But how do we know that? Let me show you a tip. For that, I'm going to need my rack. Now, easy way to know if your bread is cooked perfectly. Get it into your hand, like so. Tap it on the bottom. Nice and hollow, firm, perfect, golden brown. Ready. Now we'll leave it on the rack. This is going to stop it from going soggy on the bottom as well. Nothing better than homemade bread. You can make it into a sandwich, toast, butter, can't go wrong. There we have it, a simple tin loaf.